attitude na pag resume ng ensayo namin, talagang 100% sila nagko-commit sa ensayo. So naging maganda yung pahinga namin.
Ayun, Coach, may mga wala akong ako sa iyo tapos. Pero despite that, isa sa mga teams to beat with Campbell and Jerry Tigo yung natalo nyo ngayon. Parang, ito ba yung parang message na di pa rin kayo pwedeng i-count out sa competition kahit na may mga hula?
Since naman nung na-handle ko to, medyo nagkukulang, nakukompleto. Basta sabi ko nga sa mga players, ang ensayo natin is pare-pareho lang. So, nasa sa'yo na kung paano may di-deliver yung sistema namin. So, happy ako kasi sa bench, sa training namin, yung mga bench player namin talagang lumalaban talaga yan. So, kung sino nandyan, doon kami nagpo-focus. Hindi namin masyado hinahanap yung wala. Kung bumalik sila, mas maganda. Pero, syempre, team yung Creamline So, mag-deliver talaga yan kahit sino.
For Coach and Pons, next game will be against Galleries. Galing silang 5 setters. So, ano lang siguro yung magiging mindset coming into that match on Saturday?
For me, syempre, kanina pinanood namin yung Galleries, then i-review muna namin ulit, then back to routine namin sa ensayo, so tsaka namin naaralin. Kasi yung Galleries talagang lumalaban talaga din. Pinapanood ko kanina, grabe yung floor defense nila, yung teamwork din nila. Ang laki nang in-improve talaga. So hindi pwede magpahinga talaga dun sa Galleries. So aralin na muna namin mabuti.
Yun nga, sabi ni Coach, aralin muna namin kasi ngayon talaga nag-focus muna kami sa Cherry. So bukas mag-start na kami ulit sa next game namin against Galleries. Titingnan namin kung paano yung laro nila. Since then naman, matibay talaga yung floor defense ng Galleries. So hindi pwedeng maging kampante na nanalo kami today kasi mahaba pa yung laruan. So kailangan, sabi nga ni Coach, mag-improve pa kami every game.
Yung momentum napupunta sa Creamline. Naka-2 straight kami. Sana magsunod-sunod yung panalo namin para maging maganda yung study namin pagdating sa kabilang bracket. So, mag-improve kami, mag-training kami para mag-improve kami every game. Yun yung target talaga namin.
Thank you, Coach. And for Pons, maganda yung pinakita mong laro today against Cherry Tigo. Ano lang siguro yung motivation mo heading into this match para makapag-produce ng ganitong classic game?
Personally, yung last game ko. Kasi medyo disappointed ako sa sarili ko, sa performance ko. Kasi alam ko na mas may ibibigay pa ako, mas kaya ko pang mag-contribute sa team. So, yun din talaga yung isa sa motivation ko pati ito this game.
And Pons, alam naman natin naging teammate mo si Campbell dati. Ngayon, may extra motivation ba? Anong pakiramdam na makaharap siya? Lalo na yung PBL career high mo against her pa?
Ayun, syempre, una-una, na-excite din talaga ako na makalaban siya. Kasi, Campbell, alam ko kung paano siya maglaro Talagang, totoo talaga siya. And, nakita naman sa game ngayon na halos hingiin niya na rin yung bola para lang makapuntos din. And yun, sobrang saya lang din kasi lahat ng in-ensayo namin talaga na-apply namin ngayon sa game. And teamwork talaga.
Paano mo lang ina-embrace yung challenge? Siyempre wala si Alyssa at si Gemma pa. Paano mo ina-embrace na mas malaki yung role mo this conference?
Actually, every conference same lang naman kasi first 6 ka or hindi, kailangan mo rin talagang gawin yung role mo. Kung ipasok ka or kahit sa labas ka man, meron pa rin kanya-kanyang role. So parang sabi nga nila coach na huwag na namin hanapin yung wala. Kung sino yung nandyan, yan muna. So yun. So maganda kasi nakakapag-adjust na rin pati yung import namin sa sistema and nagiging okay na rin yung gano'n. So hopefully na mas mag-improve pa.
でもチームのみんながすごい英語とかタガログを教えてくれたりするのですごいコミュニケーションは取りやすくて助かっています。
Tinuturuan niya ng mga Tagalog at very easy daw.
And for Yenny, what can you say about the level of play in Philippine volleyball? It was tough at first, we lost the first 2 games, but we had another proper challenge today.
Yes, when I came here, I came with the mind open to learn as much as I could. And well, when we start, I had like a lot of hope for my team, and I wanted to like see how we work together and everything. And it was hard to lose the 2 first games. You know, they were really good teams against we play, and I felt that we did a good job. And even though we couldn't reach that level, and now we work until we got it. Finally, a first win.
How did you feel having a rough start to this conference, and then how did the team feel with that 2 losses, and then now that you've won your first game, how will the team continue improving?
I have been in a lot of teams before, and I have seen that after like 1 or 2 losses, the teams tend to like go down, you know. But instead of that, this team keeps improving and keeps showing me that they really want to become better and be better players, you know. The first win we lost 3-0, and then next game we went to 3-1, and now we finally win 3-2. So it's like an improvement, and we will take it, you know. Everything that is better is always good.
For Kate, would you now say na mas approve na talaga with Farm Fresh? You're used to the system and everything, or may konting adjustment period pa rin to start the conference?
Marami pa rin adjustments, lalo na bago nga yung position ko. Pero yeah, andyan naman sila coach to help us.
大会で、初めての1勝だったので、すごい嬉しいです。
Very happy that first win. Very happy.
Thank you, Coach. And for Yenny, you had 29 points in this match. What was your motivation coming into this game to help the team win?
You know, we have been working really hard. And we are trying to like get in rhythm with each other. And I felt that my team needed this win because my team needs a motivation to keep pushing and keep pushing harder. So my team was my first motivation to keep pushing until the end and keep fighting.
Thank you, Yenny. And for Kate, isa ka sa parang nag-step up din talaga for the team in this game. What are your thoughts on your performance and the team's performance in general?
I'm happy na though may lapses pa rin kami during end game, natapos pa rin namin siya with a win. So happy na napanindigan namin, but I know marami pang kailangan trabahuhin. So balik ulit sa trabaho.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Yenny, when you were down 2-1, what was your mindset and how did you motivate your teammates?
Well, my motivation was we cannot lose this set. We are doing really good in the first set. We are up all the time, so we need to push, and that's why I tried to tell my team. I told them, you guys, we are good, we can do this, and we just need to push a little bit, communicate, and stay focused.
Sa'yo naman, Kate, panibagong role ulit as a starter this time. Kamusta naman yung pag-embrace mo ng challenge and yung pag-a-adjust mo sa sistema ng mga Japanese coaches?
As I mentioned nga before, mahirap siya kasi mas marami kang kailangan gawin. Pero lagi namang andyan yung coaches namin to guide us, and talagang bawat training, sinasabi naman nila anong kailangan gawin. So very, though mahirap, nagdumadali siya kasi very tutok naman sa